Looking for the best miter saw to make precise cuts for your woodworking projects? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best miter saws of 2025, powerful, reliable, and perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. We've done the research so you don't have to. All product links are in the description below for the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. DeWalt Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. The DeWalt 12-inch double bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is a reliable miter saw offering solid cutting capabilities and a good range of features for precise work. Its design is straightforward, making it suitable for a variety of miter cutting tasks, and it's well suited for both professional use and dedicated DIYers. The saw is user-friendly, with a simple calibration process, easy adjustments, and a blade change system that doesn't require too much effort. The shadow cut line is a practical addition that aids in setting up cuts with greater accuracy. The model cuts precisely out of the box and tends to hold its calibration over time. It is a good fit for those with enough space to house it and who expect consistent performance from their tools. The main disadvantage of the DeWalt DWS 780 is its heavy weight and large footprint. The saw weighs over 60 pounds and measures over 32 inches with table extensions, requiring ample storage space and making it challenging to move frequently. The dust curtains are also sensitive to high-powered vacuums as the excess suction can close them. Despite being one of the highest-scoring saws in our review, the Bosch 12-inch dual-bevel sliding glide GCM 12SD fell just short of receiving an award due to a lower ease-of-use score. That said, the Bosch scored highest in cut capacity and second highest in dust collection. If those two metrics are the most important to you, the Bosch may be the way to go. However, the DeWalt emerged as our clear favorite in testing and the one we recommend to most people. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 4. SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MS6305-00 is a reasonably priced tool with impressive cutting capabilities. Capable of executing crosscuts through a 2x12 lumber and a 45-degree miter cut on a 2x8. This saw meets and exceeds the needs of most home DIY projects. It's user-friendly and offers a straightforward experience with features such as easy miter angle adjustments and a detent override. The LED shadow cut line should enhance accuracy and overall craftsmanship. The SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MS6305-00 ultimately stands out for its power and expansive cut capacity, making it a suitable choice for budget-conscious DIYers and professionals who can deal with its dust collection limitations. The drawback is this saw struggles to collect dust effectively with a bag or a vacuum. Dust went flying in all directions during testing, creating a significant mess in the workspace. Check out the Makita 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound LS1019L if you prioritize efficient dust collection and ample power. Also, adjustments with the 2-screw blade depth lock system might prove inefficient and difficult to switch back and forth between cut types. Shortcomings aside, the SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MS6305-00 has plenty to offer for the price. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. Ryobi OnePlus 18V Cordless 7¼ inches. Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Ryobi 18V OnePlus 7¼ inch single bevel sliding compound PBT01B stands out in our tests for its impressive cut capacity and the convenience of cordless operation. It can perform crosscuts through 2x10 lumber, which is among the top of its class. The saw also features an effective dust collection system and comes at an attractive price. It is ideal for folks needing a lightweight, portable saw with a generous cut capacity and are working with limited funds. Like all models we tested, the Ryobi isn't flawless. It requires more frequent calibration compared to other contenders, which may be a minor inconvenience for some. In addition, it has fixed plastic table extensions, which might display more wear over time. If you are searching for a budget saw with a cut line indicator, check out the SKIL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound MS6305-00, which employs a shadow cut line. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max 7 to a quarter inch miter saw. The DeWalt 20V Max 7 to a quarter inch single bevel sliding compound DCS 361B is a compact, battery-powered saw that sets itself apart with its user-friendly design, power, and efficient dust collection system. Its portable nature makes it an excellent choice for trim work on the go or use in smaller shop spaces where storage is a premium. With features like easy calibration, miter angle adjustments, a shadow cut indicator for precision, and safety-centric blade changes, it's a standout in functionality. This saw is best suited for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable, portable saw for light to medium-duty tasks. Unfortunately, the saw lacks a blade depth lock, complicating tasks like cutting dado joints. The cut capacity is also below average compared to other models tested, and while it can handle most home projects, it struggles with materials larger than a 2x8. If your projects call for more robust cutting power and capacity, the DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound DWS 780 is worth consideration. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 1. DeWalt 12-inch miter saw. The DeWalt 12-inch single-bevel compound miter saw DWS 715 emerges as a sturdy and efficient choice for those requiring precision and potency in their cutting tasks. Its ease of calibration and user-friendly blade change mechanism are highlights we discovered in our tests, alongside its 14 miter stops for versatile cutting angles. The saw's compact design is a bonus, particularly beneficial for space-conscious workshops or job sites. Thanks to its effective dust collection system and build quality, this saw is tailored for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize accuracy and a clean workspace. It's particularly suitable for users handling standard lumber sizes and looking for a tool that maintains calibration over time for consistent accuracy. Despite these praises, the DWS 715 has its limitations. Most notably, it has a modest cut capacity due to the absence of a sliding rail. Some users might also find the lack of a cut line indicator a drawback, as it may complicate the alignment of cuts. The saw does not feature any positive bevel stops, which can reduce the accuracy of beveled cuts. If you find these constraints deal breakers, the DeWalt DWS 780 12-inch double bevel sliding compound offers enhanced cut capacity and similar precision. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com.